Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here. In this tutorial, I will gonna say those things which you need to know before you watch the series. So the first thing which you need is what the heck? Goddamn. Yeah. First thing which you need is Git. Obviously, because we are learning about Git, and you need to learn is CLI, because if you don't know what ls minus a this stuff are, you can't keep up with the course. So I have a course about that, both for Windows and Mac OS and Linux if you have one. By the way, those are basically similar to each other. So I have a course about that. Don't worry about that. It's just a 4 episode series. You can learn in just a day. So go there and check out. And Git comes with Mac. So if you are in Mac, you can check by git / v, and you can see the Git. And if you are in Windows, so just go here, git scum anything, and download it from here, and you install this. I will suggest, if you are in Windows, install the cmder. It's best the console emulator for Windows. In that way you can we do not need to install Git, because it also comes with the Git this version. And that's it. These are the things which you need to know for this course. And from the next episode onwards, I will create a Git repository and how you can use it. Don't worry if it sounds complicated. It's not. It's easy stuff. When I gonna do those stuff, it look easy though. So hope you guys understand, and see you guys there.